Shivadai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. So in this particular video, we'll look into what is Bootstrap. All right. All right. So see, basically, in one of our video on a full stack application, we have explained you what is front end component, what is database component, and what is backend component, and their purposes, how they link to each other, and how they work together to serve a full end application to the customers, right? So now what happens is, like, when we develop all these applications, all right, so we need to take care of all these three components like front end, back end, and databases. All right, fine. Now, the focus area here is in this particular video in the front end to ensure that the front end interface, right? See, for any website, any software, the main impressive area for a customer, the main you know uh, space for a customer to connect to the application is front end, right? So the front end is developed in using HTML hypertext markup language, CSS cascading style sheets, and JavaScript JS, right? So all these three are responsible to develop a front end component for an application. All right. So now, what's Bootstrap then? See, Bootstrap plays a vital role ensuring and availing, you know, a very good user interface for the users with multiple, predefined templates. So let me explain you that. For example, we develop a front-end component, a website where the front-end component is developed using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So these three together, are enough to basically develop the front end. But the thing is, what is the role of Bootstrap here? See, Bootstrap is nothing but it provides multiple, you know, templates for actually uh, developing our front end to ensure that it looks impressive with many more features, so that everything is structured in a very impressive manner to the end users. All right, so if you see, so Bootstrap is actually a framework. So let's firstly understand what is a framework. See, framework is nothing but it is collection of tools, libraries, and some sort of guidelines that actually helps developers to build the software or any websites, right, for in a more easily and efficiently enabled process. It provides a structured way to do common regular tasks, so developers don't have to start from scratch every time. All right, so that's about framework. But now coming to the Bootstrap, as I told, Bootstrap actually helps to enable more impressive front-end component with most of the predefined templates which are already available with Bootstrap. So it's not required for us to develop everything from scratch. Meaning is, so Bootstrap is now a popular open source front-end framework that helps developers build responsive mobile first websites quickly and easily, right? So it provides, it is actually, it works across any device, not only mobile, PC, anything as such. It provides a lot many tools and components, including pre-designed HTML, CSS, JavaScript templates, so that we can create more attractive user interfaces. All right, so that's it. So I can show you one of the, you know uh, page which we have developed. So if you see here, this particular, you know front end is developed using HTML, CSS, JS, but we have injected Bootstrap here. which allowed us, for example, see basically, if you see this style feature, right? If you see this one, yeah, this one. So developing all this will take much of time, so we should, structure this into some kind of boxes. There we need to update image according to the dimensions, we update the data, we update these kind of buttons, everything is such, right? So now what bootstrap, I mean, how Bootstrap helps us, in which way Bootstrap actually helps us is it provides predefined template. So let me show you something. All right. Okay. So we have Python servers. All right. If you see, let me show you that. See, this is the code which is been developed for this particular, you know, application interface. If you see, so this is our front end HTML file wherein, see, we are actually utilizing the Bootstrap predefined templates and linking that within our HTML, and then we are designing the part. So for example, so if you see, this is cloud computing, right? So how this style, I mean this kind of styled, you know um, page with all the different features, like different styling models are available, like it is cloud computing, right? If you see here, so let's go see cloud computing, correct? So this is the code for that. So how we are not worrying about how this is laid, everything is such, so we can search upon, if you go to the Bootstrap website, there you'll be able to see a link to actually inject in our HTML and utilize the feature. So this feature is already developed, we are just utilizing it here. All right. So if you see, yeah, cloud computing, okay, and so this is the code for that. So we are just utilizing the predefined template and enabling a such. See, we have something like DevOps, then yeah, data science, then right, then what we have, AI, Python, machine learning. So AI, Python, machine learning. All right. So that is how it is being designed. All right. So yep, I hope I'm clear. So we have many templates provided by Bootstrap to create interactive, I mean, impressive, attractive pages. All right. Fine, guys. Thank you so much. We'll get back to you with another informative video later. Bye bye.